Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit video and add music on your TikTok in your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok on your default browser. After that, what you want to do is click on this upload button right here. Now, TikTok Studio will be directed in front of you. Firstly, upload your video. For example, I want to upload this video right here. Now, as you can see, the video is already uploaded. To edit and add music, all you gotta do is click on this edit video right here. Now, you can edit video right here and add music from here. That's how you can edit video and add music on your TikTok. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.